Shri Guru Guru Namaha. Namaste. I am Megha, disciple of Guru Vidushi Sitavi Prasad at Patanjali Institute. I have been trained under my Guru for past 12 years in the art of Bharatanatyam and completed with my post-Vidvat exams and Gandharva Visharda exams in Bharatanatyam. All I could learn from this institute was the depth of learning the art, the time and patience required for perfection through constant practice, and a strong mind to build a strong career in the art form. And these three tactics helped me to carry forward my performance gracefully in life. After the completion of senior exam, initially I had a dream of doing Rangapravesham and expressed my idea to Guru Sita ma'am. She was very joyful and considerated my dream and supported me throughout this event. And on 3rd July 2016, I successfully completed my Rangapravesham with the blessings of my parents, Guru, as well as well-wishers. My Rangapravesham practice began on 2nd Jan 2016. Though I completed my senior exams, my ma'am wanted me to be perfect in basic adavus and Nritta Bandha. So patiently she took few classes for me to improve in Nritta Bandha and basic adavus. Initially, she started with the selection process, and for me, she chose Prabhu Ganapati Nritta Bandha, wherein all the audience joyfully enjoy that Nritta Bandha. So till today, I perform this as Nritta Bandha for all the programs wherein the audience applaud it and say that it is a beautiful choreography. So I am very joyful that ma'am chose this Nritta Bandha for my Rangapravesham. Second Nritya Bandha was Annamacharya's Kriti, Sriman Narayana. It is an evergreen choreography choreographed by my Guru's Guru, Bhanumati ma'am. And I am very happy to learn this Nritya Bandha from my Guru Sita ma'am. Bharatanatyam, that is Padavarna. Here ma'am chose Nitya Bandha of goddess Durga for me because she imagined that if I do the avatar of goddess Durga, it will be the best one on the stage. In this Padavarna, I learned to intricate the jetties as well as the folk flow of Sanchari and the elegance of goddess Durga through expression. My second part of Ranga Pravesham began with the Nritya Bandha, Ananda Natamaluva Pillai. In this performance, the challenging was stamina as well as the poise poses. And still today, I remember how ma'am explained me the features of Nataraja as a cosmic dancer. Next was the Abhinaya piece, Kadagola Tharin Chinnave. In this Abhinaya piece, the most challenging part for me was to sing the emotions of Mother Yashoda as well as the naughty behavior of Lord Krishna.
Kadagola Tharin Chinnave, Kadagola Tharin Chinnave, Kadagola Tharin Chinnave, Mogarudedare, 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 Benne Varadurannave, Kadagola Tharin Chinnave, Mogarudedare, Benne Varadurannave, Kadagola Tharin Chinnave, Mogarudedare, Benne Varadurannave, Kadagola Tharin Chinnave. ಅಣ್ಣನ ಒಡಗುಂಡು ಬಾರಯ್ಯ, ಅಣ್ಣನ ಒಡಗುಂಡು ಬಾರಯ್ಯ, ಸವಿ ಸವಿ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಯ ಮುದ್ದೆಯ ಮೇಲುತ್ತಿರಂತೆ, ಅಣ್ಣನ ಒಡಗುಂಡು ಬಾರಯ್ಯ, ಸವಿ ಸವಿ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಯ ಮುದ್ದೆಯ ಮೇಲುವಿರಂತೆ, ಕಡಗೋಲ ತಾರೆನ್ನ ಚಿನ್ನ ತಂದು ನಿನ್ನಯ ತೊಟ್ಟಿಲ ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿಸುವೆ. ಬಟ್ಟಲು ತುಂಬಿದ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ನಿನಗಿವೆ, ಬಟ್ಟಲು ತುಂಬಿದ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ನಿನಗಿವೆ. ಕಟ್ಟಾಣಿ ಮುತ್ತಿನ ಖನಿಯೇ ಬಾರಾಮ ಕಡಗೋಲ ತಾರೆನ್ನ ಚಿನ್ನವೇ.
Next comes Tulasidas Bhajan, Sri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajan. This bhajan I am hearing it from my childhood, and when ma'am suggested me that I am going to perform this bhajan on the stage, I felt very surprised and blessed. In this bhajan, ma'am taught me a lot of sancharis. Here the challenging part for me was to learn body language, and ma'am helped me out perform it very well, and she explained me as how Rama comes on the stage and Sita as well as Ahalya.
ಚಂದ್ರ ಕೃಪಾಲು ಭಜಮನ ಹರಣ ಭವ ಭಯ ನಾರುಣಂ. ಶ್ರೀರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ ಕೃಪಾಲು ಭಜಮನ ಹರಣ ಭವ ಭಯ ದಾರುಣಂ. ನವಕಂಜಲೋಚನ ಕಂಜಮುಖ ಕರಕಂಜ ಪದ ಕಂಜಾರುಣಂ. ನವಕಂಜಲೋಚನ ಕಂಜಮುಖ ಪದ ಕಂಜ ಕರ ಕಂಜಾರುಣಂ. ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ 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 ಕಂದರ್ಪ ಅಗಣಿತ ಅಮಿತ ಛವಿ ನವನೀಲ ನೀರದ ಸುಂದರಂ. ಕಂದರ್ಪ ಅಗಣಿತ ಅಮಿತ ಛವಿ ನವನೀಲ ನೀರದ ಸುಂದರಂ. ಪಟಪೀತ ಮಾನುಗು ತಡಿತ ರುಚಿ ಶುಚಿ ನೌಮಿ ಜನಕ ಸುಧಾವರಂ. ಪಟಪೀತ ಮಾನುಗು ತಡಿತ ರುಚಿ ಶುಚಿ ನೌಮಿ ಜನಕ ಸುಧಾವರಂ. ಜನಕ ಸುಧಾವರಂ. ನೌಮಿ ಜನಕ ಸುಧಾವರಂ. ನೌಮಿ ಜನಕ ಸುಧಾವರಂ. ನೌಮಿ ಜನಕ ಸುಧಾವರಂ. ನೌಮಿ ಜನಕ ಸುಧಾವರಂ.
And finally ended with a beautiful conclusion, that is Tilana set to Raga Vasanti, and a Mangalam based on our Dharma Deva, Sri Narsimha Swami. I requested Vatsa sir to compose Mangalam based on Narsimha Swami, that is my Dharma Deva, and he beautifully composed this Mangalam. And with the joyness in my life towards this Ranga Prevention event, I surrendered myself to Dharma Deva through this Mangalam.
ತಿಲ್ಲನ ತಿಲ್ಲನ ತಿರನ श्रीनरसिंह कशिपु विनाशक